Hi guys, we are back. Today we have a out of order mouse. The left switch doesn't work as you see. The right switch is okay, and also the middle one. But the left switch is out of order and unhealthy. We want to change the switch with another switch that recovered from another broken mouse. First of all, we have to desolder this switch. As you see, this switch doesn't work. This working and this one don't. Okay guys, we take out the switch. Here we have another switch that recovered from a broken mouse, but the switch is okay. We want to replace this. As you see, this is the same. The other switches is okay. We replace the unhealthy switch. Okay guys, as you see, now the switches are working. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like it. Thank you guys. Bye for now.